Today I'm going to show you the best electric commuter bikes and perfect for everyday use. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, 16-foot fat tire electric bike. 16 fat tire electric bike, dirty bike for adults. 48V removable battery electric motorcycle eBikes. Price, $529.99. Bike type, commuting bike, electric bike. Special features: digital display, dual disc brake, dual suspension, multi-speed, rechargeable battery, stylish mini e-bike, compact. Modern design for men, women, and teens. Included components, not specified. Key features: 500W peak motor with speeds up to 28 miles per hour, 48V15, a removable battery with 4 to 6 hour fast charging and battery management system protection, 20 to 40 mile riding range, front suspension with dual rear shocks and mechanical disc brakes, 3 riding modes including pure electric, pedal assist, and manual with 5 assist levels, LCD display, LED lights, IPX4 water resistance, wide saddle, storage bag, 90% pre-assembled, and UL 2849 certified. Pros: powerful 500W peak motor, removable battery for convenient charging, comfortable dual suspension system, UL 2849 safety certification, compact and stylish design for commuting. Cons: 20 to 40 mile range may be limiting for long distance riders. Mechanical disc brakes instead of hydraulic brakes. Small 16-inch wheels are less suited for rough off-road terrain. Top speed and range vary depending on rider weight and conditions. Final verdict: the 16-foot fat tire electric bike delivers an impressive combination of performance, comfort, and affordability for everyday riders. Its removable 48V battery, powerful 500W peak motor, dual suspension, and safety certification make it an excellent choice for commuting, short city trips, and casual weekend rides. While the range may not satisfy long-distance riders, it offers outstanding value for buyers seeking a compact, feature-packed electric bike. Number 2, Jasion Roamer electric bike for adults. Jasion Roamer electric bike for adults. 1200W peak motor, 28 mph max speed, 528 Wh removable battery e-bike, front suspension, and 7-speed bicycle. 26-foot commuter e-bike, with rear basket. Price, $699. Bike type, commuting bike. Key features: 1200W peak motor, 750W brushless motor. 1200W peak delivers speeds up to 28 miles per hour for city streets and light off-road riding. 528Wh removable battery offers 45 to 60 miles of range per charge with an IPX6 waterproof, lockable battery design. LCD display and 7-speed gears, clear LCD screen with speed, battery, PAS level, and distance, plus 3 riding modes and 7-speed gearing. Enhanced safety: front and rear mechanical disc brakes with front suspension for confident braking and a smoother ride. Full lighting system, includes headlight, tail light, brake light, and left-right turn signals for safer commuting. Comfortable design: 26-inch tires, 80mm front suspension, and 80% pre-assembled for quick setup. Pros: powerful motor, long range, full lighting system with turn signals, and comfortable suspension. Cons: mechanical disc brakes are less powerful than hydraulic brakes. Final thought: a well-rounded commuter e-bike with excellent safety features, solid range, and reliable performance for everyday riding. Number 3, Zorix Bike M9 Serie Bike NFC Unlock. Zorix Bike M9 Serie Bike NFC Unlock, 48V13 20AH, 1500 3000W peak brushless motor electric bicycle, max speed 31 to 35 miles per hour, max 70 miles range, 20 inches by 4.0 inches, UL 2849. Price, $549. Bike type, commuting bike, electric bike. Key features: 1500W peak motor, delivers up to 31 miles per hour with 90 Nm torque for strong acceleration and hill climbing. 48V20Ah removable battery, provides 40 to 50 miles in pure electric mode or up to 70 miles with pedal assist. NFC Smart Unlock, keyless NFC start with an LCD display showing speed, battery, mileage, and riding mode. Comfort-focused design, moped-style frame, long cushioned seat, and high-carbon steel construction support riders up to 330 pounds. 5 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, pedal, push, and cruise control for versatile riding. LED light bar, bright integrated front light improves visibility and gives the bike a modern look. Easy setup. 90% pre-assembled with a 1-year warranty and customer support. Pros: powerful motor, long-range battery, NFC keyless start, and comfortable moped-style design. Cons: heavier frame may be less convenient to carry or transport. Final thought: a powerful, feature-packed electric bike that's an excellent choice for commuting, cruising, and weekend adventures. Number 4. YVY Electric Bike for Adults. YVY Electric Bike for Adults, 48V 4025 2015.6A battery, 1500W 3000W peak motor, 20-inch fat tire all-terrain e-bike with full suspension for trail and off-road riding. Price: $509. Bike type: electric bike. Included components: not specified. Key features: 1500W peak motor. High-torque motor delivers powerful acceleration and excellent hill climbing performance. 48V20Ah removable battery. Up to 100 plus miles with pedal assist or 30 miles in pure electric mode. Full suspension, 5-level suspension system with front fork and seat shock absorber for a smoother ride. Hydraulic brakes, dual hydraulic disc brakes with EABS provide strong, reliable stopping power in all weather. 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires. Wide all-terrain tires offer superior grip and stability on sand, snow, gravel, and trails. 3 riding modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and manual modes with a 7-speed drivetrain. Reliable support, includes a 1-year warranty and responsive customer service. Pros: long range, powerful motor, hydraulic brakes, and full suspension for excellent comfort and control. Cons: pure electric range is limited to about 30 miles. Final thought: a high-performance all-terrain e-bike with impressive range, premium safety features, and outstanding off-road capability. Number 5. Ebike 1200W Folding Electric Bike for Adults. Ebike 1200W Folding Electric Bike for Adults, foldable commuter bike, for 80Wh removable battery, 20-inch x3 fat tires, up to 45 miles range, 330 pounds max load, 60 mm suspension fork, 7-speed, 85% assembled. Price: $539.99. Bike type: commuting bike, electric bike. Special feature: adjustable handlebars, adjustable seat, electric assist, fat tire, foldable. Included components: not specified. Key features: 1200W peak motor. Reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour with smooth, reliable performance for commuting and light trails. 48V10A removable battery, delivers up to 28 miles in pure electric mode or 45 miles with pedal assist, with a 5-hour fast charge. Foldable design, compact frame and foldable pedals make storage and transport easy, 85% pre-assembled. Comfort and stability: 20-inch by 3.0-inch fat tires, 60 mm front suspension, and adjustable handlebar and saddle for riders 4'9" 6'5". Pros: foldable design, fast charging, safety certified, and comfortable for a wide range of riders. Cons: top speed is limited to 20 miles per hour. Final thought: a practical folding e-bike that combines portability, comfort, and dependable performance for everyday commuting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.